Hello. Right, listen, Mum. I know you wanted me home at 9 PM, but it's currently 5:56 in the morning, so I'm a couple hours late. But that's fine, because I'm not drunk at all. I'm gonna go bed, and you can wake me up at like 3 PM, yeah? Sweet.
Hi, Mum. Say what's going on. Don't have to press it.
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Oh, sorry, we're too drunk.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Hi, Mum. Right.
Hi, Mummy. Shh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my God.
What a fucking night. Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. You got a piece of cutter. John's a fucking perfect. Neighbor, look. It's almost here. It's almost the new year. Come on. Let's go. 3 more seconds. Oh, here we go. I haven't showered since 2020.